See, here is the magic of ChatGPT. I am not login, like you can see here, login when sign up is showing, so I am not login, it's normal user. And now I am typing like this. Suggest a healthy 7-day Indian vegetarian meal plan with easy recipes. Generate a grocery list with quantities budget under 2000. So let's see what happen. Oh my god. So here is the all 7 days meal plan within this budget. Oh, check it. Day 1, breakfast, lunch, dinner, breakfast, lunch, dinner. And here is the list of grocery for 1 to 2 people. Oh, oh my god. See, the approx total calculation, cost calculation also there. Some recipe is also there. Okay, now I am showing like help me create a monthly budget. Income 50k, fixed cost like rent 10k, bills 4k, suggest savings plan and spending categories. So let's check it. Oh, how easily it's now showing. See, rent 10k, utility bills 4k, grocery 7k, transportation 3k, savings and investment 12k. So here is the details below. Now suggested savings plan 12k per month. So you can invest like 5k, 2k, like these are the plans. And if you want to know in details of this plan, you can also ask for it here. So it's like very easy. You can search anything you want to know, like plan A. Now I am searching for a trip. Plan a budget friendly 3-day trip to Goa. See, it's generating the total 3 days trip, like the transport cost and hotels and everything. And it's free. It's I still not logged in. I can search over here. So another example. If you if you want to solve any mathematical problem or anything like coding related issues or error, you can just copy and paste it here. It will just show the every solution, every possible or error debugging method it will show. So here is the one, like class 10 standard mathematics example. Solve this math. find the zeros of the polynomial like px. So let's see. Ah, it looks like very simple. Yeah, see the step 1, step 2, step 3, and the final answer what is. So it's nothing related to you need to go to the teacher and ask if you stuck over somewhere. Just ask ChatGPT to resolve this problem, and it will solve any problem like mathematical or any subject, anything. So that is the overall idea about the about ChatGPT. You can use it as a free version